Hi there, I'm going to show you how to use the cover page template and how to upload assignments to Blackboard. This should be about a 5-minute video. The first thing you're going to do is go to assignment and submission, and you'll see the cover page template at the top. Sometimes in APA format, this is called a title page. I also call it a cover page. You can click on the attached file to open it up. This is going to be the start of your assignment. When you look at the cover page template, you're going to notice it's got 2 pages. The first page has a header. That's part of making sure that things are in APA format. And you'll see it says running head with a colon, and you want to leave that. You're going to type the name of your assignment in all caps in the header, and I'm going to call this behavioral writing assignment. And being in all caps is just an APA rule. I moved the page number over, so I just moved it back. I'm going to copy the behavioral writing assignment so I don't have to type it again on page 2. On page 2, it does not say running head, and you're going to also leave it that way. So it has a different header on page 2 on. And this will actually copy over to 3rd or 4th or however many subsequent pages you have. So you only have to do it twice. Okay, so your header's done. Now we're going to focus on the actual cover or title page. The APA format just requires 3 lines, the name of the assignment. This time it is not in all caps. Your name and your institutional affiliation, which also already says Columbus State for you. Okay, and that's all you have to do, and you're ready to start typing your assignment. You're going to start your assignment on page 2. The cover page or title page should always be its own page. So you always start on page 2. This is a placeholder here, so I'm going to get rid of it. You don't need to leave that. And now I want to use the format for my behavioral writing assignment. I also want to copy over the rubric so my instructor can fill it out for me. I'm going to put a blank rubric at the end. So I'm going to go to the behavioral writing assignment, and there's an attached file for it, which I will open. And here it is. So I just want the format. I don't want the directions. The directions are for me as a student to read. So I will have done that, but I don't need to copy it over to my assignment. I'm just going to do what the format is. And like I said, at the very end, I'm also going to copy over the rubric. Control C to do that, or however you choose to copy. All right, so I'm going back. Where am I now? Sorry. I need to get back to my other, here we go, behavioral writing assignment template that I started. So this is the second page, as you remember. So this is where I want to paste the information I copied over. And I just noticed that for some reason the directions did copy over, but I'm just going to delete them. So there we go. I don't really need those. And I'm ready to start typing. I'm not going to do that right now, but you would obviously fill all of this out for your assignment. And notice that there is a rubric at the end. The formatting is a little off, but you don't have to worry about that. When I'm finished, when I filled out my actual assignment, I'm going to save as, and just make sure you know where you save. I'm going to save to my documents, and you can call it whatever you want. I'm going to call this Jane Behavioral Writing Assignment. Okay. And I saved it under my documents. So now I can close the assignment because I've saved it. X out of that. And I'm going to go back to assignments and submission. Now to submit it, what I need to do is where it says behavioral writing as a title, I'm going to click on that. And it's going to take me to the submission area. It's got assignment information. It's reminding you it's 20 points. And the videos are there that you need to watch. But what I'm mostly concerned with is the assignment submission section. So I don't want to use text submission ever. I want to attach a file. So I'm going to browse my computer, and I'm going to go to my documents because that's where I saved it. And here's my Jane behavioral writing assignment. So I'm going to click on that and it appears as the file name. When I submit at the bottom, hopefully, it will take me to, it's generating a preview for me. That takes a second. To the submission where it actually is on Blackboard. Here you can see exactly what your instructor is going to see, and you can see that your assignment is here. Obviously mine's blank. It's got the rubric too. I'll be able to come back and see this when my instructor has graded it and see the comments as well as the rubric. So that's it. I hope that was helpful. Thank you.